Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing and assembly video. Checking out this Yahootech Queen size, no tools required installation bed frame here. And there we have it right there. So if you want to, that is solid though. Yeah, that's a pretty solid bed here. Down, down, down. So yeah, doesn't really like shaky or anything. I like how those just fit into place. Then if you want, you can push these into the slots there. I'm not sure, not really necessary. I'm not sure what that would do. Maybe hold it from, like, if you're lifting it up from, but if you want, you can tap all those into the places there. So 8 of those, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then I think that's it. So it gives you 8 extras if you need them, but you just press these into the holes if you wanted to, but not really necessary. It's a sturdy, a really sturdy frame there. All right. Well, friends, here we have it. So another nice thing about this bed, it's okay, is it's got 11, 12 inches of clearance underneath here. Right, buddy? So 12 inches of clearance. That gives you nice, a good height on your bed, so it's right at waist level. You can just sit down here and boogie. So also, if you have those storage containers, you can just slide them under there. Lots of room under there, 12 inches. So a lot of storage containers are about that height. You can just slide stuff under the bed and keep it there nice and organized. This bed is actually, there's like no squeaky noise at all. So it's super sturdy. The build is really easy. I think the unboxing part was a little bit more difficult than actually building the bed. And I think now that I know the orientation of the bed and everything, I could easily assemble this in just minutes. Bye, cat. So yeah, now I deserve a rest after putting that together. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Looking for a sturdy, easy to assemble bed frame? Look no further. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.